Welcome to page 6. On this page, we're going to be calculating commission and total pay. We'll be using the formula R times T equals P. R will be our commission rate and T will be our total sales. We will also be using a tape diagram along with this formula. Remember, as we calculate total pay, we're going to add the salary dollars and the commission dollars to arrive at that total pay. Let's read problem number 1. Sally receives a salary and a commission based on her monthly sales. Her salary is $756 per month. That's a dollar amount, so we can write that right here. Her commission rate is 3%. If she sells $25,000 this month, how much total pay will she receive for the month? You're going to construct a tape diagram, and we know that that tape diagram represents the $25,000 in sales. That's 100% of what she sold. Now, most of that money goes back to the company. However, she gets 3%. Think of it as bonus money or incentive for selling. When you convert that to a decimal, scoop, scoop, we get 3 cents on every dollar. You're going to take this commission rate and the total, and you're going to calculate Sally's commission and then add that to her salary to get her total pay. But before I leave you to finish this problem, I'd like to look at another problem on the page. You only have 3 to do on this page. Let's take a look at problem number 2. Once again, we know that in order to find the total pay, we're going to take the salary dollars and add them to our commission dollars. But let's read and set up the tape diagram and the formula. Nellie receives a salary and a commission based on her monthly sales. Her base salary is $1,500 per month. Her commission rate is 2.5%. It's like getting 2.5 pennies for every dollar sold. If she sells $30,000 this month, how much total pay will she receive for the month? Well, we know the guaranteed salary is $1,500 for the month. But let's figure out her commission. Think of it once again as bonus money. As we draw a tape diagram, we know she sold $30,000 altogether. That's 100% of her sales. Part of that money, most of that money, goes back to the company she works for, but she gets 2.5% for herself, 2.5%, which is really, scoop, scoop, a commission rate of 0.025. We're going to use that in the formula. In fact, on your notebook paper, now that we've got the rate and we certainly know the total, let's use the formula. R times T equals P. 0.025 times $30,000. Take a moment and punch that into your calculator. You should have gotten a commission of $750. Think of it as bonus money, incentive money for selling. We're going to take that $750 and add it to her guaranteed salary. In fact, you can even jot that over here for commission. And then as we add these together, her total pay is $2,250. Now, pause the video, complete the remaining problems on this page. Make sure you show your work in your spiral notebook or on your worksheet if you were able to print a worksheet. This concludes page 6.